All right. How's it going, everybody? My name is Sean Hunter. I am the owner of Jacob's Way LLC. So I'm tired. I'm very tired, but I'm accomplished. I accomplished a lot today. So I just completed a $650 job, and I'm about to go drop off some Timberlands for $40. So, and within about 3 hours, I made 700, dang near $700, $10 short of $700, in just 3 hours of worth of work. We also accomplished a lot of other things as well. This is all our administrative tasks. So this morning we created a tracking mileage spreadsheet, because mileage, when you track your miles, you can deduct that off of your taxes. And people, please don't think it's just like, oh, free money. When people hear, oh, that's a write-off, that doesn't just mean the IRS is just giving me money. Oh, you just get free money because you just kept the fucking receipt. That's not how it works, okay? So before, ignorance is very expensive, and you only pay taxes on your profit. So if your business doesn't make a profit, you can actually call for a business loss, and then you don't pay taxes. You actually, in some cases, you can actually get a tax return if you're a W-2. Not tax, yeah, tax return if you're a W-2. So something I wanted to inform you guys. So owner contribution. When you do, I did a financial audit on my business this morning, and one thing that you want to do is make sure that you're tracking your owner contribution, because your owner contribution is considered equity, and your equity is your owner's stake in your business. So it's very important for tax purposes to track your, not only your assets but your liabilities as well. And one of your liabilities is your owner contribution, or your owner equity. We also updated our SOP for our junk removal. It's our version 1.0, because it'll be upgraded over time. But junk removal, SOP junk removal version 1.0 has been updated with a timesheet. I also sent an email to one of my clients' accounting teams. They have something called Avid Exchange, and Avid Exchange is like a like Vendor Cafe, or there's another one. But that allows for direct deposit. That way you don't have to wait for a check in the mail. They also, I believe, pay you ahead of time if you have any account receivables, but you'll have to make payments on it if they don't receive the check. Also, what else? Fulfill order. Still haven't created that Zapier. Just haven't had enough time, really. And I also haven't created that professional email to send out to my email list. So those are the two things that I really want to focus on, but not tonight. We're just gonna go drop off those Timberlands and come back. I was able to contact, I also made a contact with one of my old properties, but this is a contract that I lost, but I still get notifications from their corporate office via email about their vendor portal. And I haven't, I'm going to start pursuing that. So I made a call, I made an effort, and I was immediately met with an AI voice, an AI leasing agent, that's what it said. And then directed me to someone who sounded like they were remote, that they weren't actually at the property. So I will make sure that I'll go to the property and speak with the property manager on hand. And that's not a loss. Some would say, oh man, I didn't get to contact them, blah, 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 it's a loss. That's not a loss. You're gaining information, you're learning information. So now use the information that you have to make a better decision for tomorrow. Follow up with, okay, so I have an apartment. They promised to put me in their vendor system, as well as put me into their contact at regional. So we'll follow up with them. A lot of this is just follow up, because property managers are very busy. And that's about it. We are making very good time. We're doing good. Oh, we also listed a keyboard for sale on Facebook Marketplace. So we'll see how long that'll take to sell. But all in all, Jacob's Way is making an effort and striving for a better tomorrow. And we actually, today's job is very great because a lot of the residents came up to me and said that they were glad that the junk was being removed. I do have a video coming up. I did a whole video of my SOP, so that'll be coming up shortly. I just have to edit it and give me some time on that. But all in all, we're actually doing great work. We're making sure that the property looks clean and more appealing to the eye, and that in return gives the maintenance team a break, as well as it gives the property a more professional aesthetic and allows more residents to be brought into the property as well. So we're making good progress. Hopefully you guys stay tuned into Jacob's Way LLC. I'll catch you.